All right, let's talk about that little metal thing under your Toyota Tacoma that you never wanted to think about, the catalytic converter. This is the part of your truck that quietly keeps smoggy exhaust from turning the air into a chemistry experiment. Most people only notice it when it goes missing. Here's the deal. Catalytic converters are basically little gold mines for thieves. They contain precious metals like platinum, palladium, and rhodium. Take a guess how much a stolen one goes for? Sometimes up to $500 at scrap yards. That's why so many Tacomas in my area, Portland included, get targeted. If you walk out to your Tacoma and it suddenly sounds like a jet engine at takeoff, I'm sorry, but you're not about to break the sound barrier. That's the classic, someone sawed through your catalytic converter at 3 a.m. symptom. Painful discovery, often costing $1,500 or more for a replacement. Replacing the catalytic converter feels like burning a pile of cash for the sake of thin air. Yet you have zero choice if you want your truck to A, run normally, and B, pass a simple emissions test. Welcome to adulthood, brutal level. If you're wondering how hard it is to actually swap out a Tacoma's converter, it's doable at home if you have ramps, sockets, and zero fear of tight spaces. Your Tacoma has bolts that even rust in an artistic Pacific Northwest fashion, so expect sweat equity. Every Tacoma owner I know tries to out-hack converter theft. Some weld the new part on. Others get fancy with catalytic shields or anti-theft cages, basically a little suit of armor for your emissions device. Shields can cost $200, but that's a fraction of a replacement. If you go for a shield, consider stainless steel. The pro tip here is thieves hate two things: metal they can't quickly cut, and anything that forces them to make noise longer than 30 seconds. Give them both, and they'll move on. What about getting an aftermarket converter? Sure, you can save $600 or more, but Tacoma engines and California emission standards are picky. Cheap cats tend to light up that annoying check engine light, and sometimes they don't last a year. Here's this hilarious catch. Some mechanics will only install OEM, Toyota original converters, all those fancy warranty rules. You might end up with a bill that would make Jeff Bezos wince. If you're locked into this, try calling independent shops to get competing quotes. If you live in a city with high theft rates, hello Portland, consider etching your VIN number onto the catalytic converter. Cops and scrapyards are finally catching on, and it's one more speed bump against theft. It's not foolproof, but it's something. Regular people don't really look at their Tacoma's underbelly unless there's trouble, but a quick monthly glance can save you a world of hassle. If you catch a cut or odd marking early, you might have time to deter a thief before the real hit happens. At the end of the day, your Tacoma's catalytic converter isn't glamorous, but it quietly saves you from paying pollution fines and keeps your truck humming. Invest a tiny bit of paranoia now, and you'll save $1,500 plus that feels much better in your wallet than in a chop shop's cash register.